The next preposition we will study is the preposition about. The subject of the preposition about exists. The subject starts and gives the definition of the preposition about to the object. The object receives and completes the subject-object relationship to go back to the original state. The preposition about is applied to describe the subject whose existence is described in a range, including the object of the preposition about. The object of the preposition about is relatively specified, and the existence of the subject is stated to be in a range, including the object of the preposition about. The speaker applies the preposition about to signify the relationship that the subject of the preposition exists in the range of the object to include the relevant object to the object of the preposition. There is a clause. We talk about his opinion. From the definition of the preposition about, we can understand that the subject who are the subject, including the speaker, exist in a range, including the object of the preposition, his opinion. The object of the preposition about, his opinion, is relatively specified, and the speaker sets a range to state the existences of the subject in the range. The speaker applies the preposition about to signify the relationship, the range of that the subject of the preposition about exists, including the object of the preposition can be various. Like the object indicated by the phrase of the general noun, his opinion, the point in time, and a place. The speaker applies the preposition about to signify the relationship between the subject we of the preposition about and the vast range of the relevant objects to include the specified opinion, his opinion, of the preposition about. The second clause is this. The meeting is held about 2 o'clock. From the definition of the preposition about, we can understand that the existence of the subject, the meeting, is described in a range, including the object of the preposition 2 o'clock that is specified. The speaker applies the preposition about to signify the relationship that the subject the meaning of the preposition exists in a period to include the point in time indicated by the object 2 o'clock of the preposition. The next preposition we will study is the preposition around. The subject of the preposition around exists, and the subject of the preposition around starts and give the definition of the preposition around to the object. The object receives the definition of the preposition around and completes the subject-object relationship to go back to the original state. The definition of the preposition around sets the object relatively specified and the speaker clarifies that the subject is not included in the range including the object of the preposition around. The speaker sets a period for the existence of the subject, but the speaker clarifies the fact that the object is not according to the existence of the subject. The definition of the preposition about is the speaker admits that the subject of the preposition the meaning can exist at the same point in time or the place as the object of the preposition. And the speaker additionally includes the intent about describing the ambiguity for about the existence of the subject. The exact time and place for the existence of the subject. The speaker applies the preposition around to signify the relationship that the subject of the preposition exists, except the object of the preposition, but close to the object of the preposition. There is a clause, the meeting is held around 2 o'clock. From the definition of the preposition around, we can understand that the subject, the meeting, exists near a point in time to the object of the preposition around 2 o'clock. But the speaker and the listeners understand that the subject, the meeting, is not according to the exact object 2 o'clock. So we can we can understand that the time for the meeting in the clause can be in a period from 1:50 to 2:10. And we can understand that the meeting can be held at 2 o'clock sharp. In this clause, we can understand that the meeting can be held from 1:50 to 2:10, but not on 2 o'clock sharp. The speaker applies the preposition around to signify the relationship that the subject to the meaning of the preposition exists, except the point in time indicated by the object 2 o'clock of the preposition, but close to the point in time indicated by the object 2 o'clock of the preposition. There's the second clause. He walks around the river. The speaker said the speaker describes the existence of the subject with a place indicated by the object, the river. The speaker describes the existence of the subject in a range including the object, the river, but the speaker clarifies that the subject does not exist at the exact place indicated by the object, the river. The speaker applies the preposition around to signify the relationship that the subject he of the preposition exists except the place indicated by the object, the river of the preposition, but close to the place indicated by the object, the river of the preposition.